We can also add a pipe hanger to hang our pipe to existing beams. Let's go ahead and we'll create a pipe support. And then we'll go in a section for hangers. We'll go ahead and we'll look it up here. And this, we have several hangers to choose from, but I'm going to go ahead and pick one that is for a beam hanger. Go ahead and say OK. And if you notice, we can go ahead and place it on the end point of the pipe, which will kind of grab it around the end. You can also use that dynamic entry to place it more carefully. And then you're ready to place another one, but we're not going to do that. We're going to adjust the height of this one, and we're going to bring this one down. Let's go ahead. We can do it from a couple of different points, but we're going to go ahead and do this one from the center of pipe. And I'm going to do that one at 1 foot and 5 inches. I think that ought to bring us down nicely. And you'll see that that brings us to where we can locate the pipe hanger at the top of the beam. And you can go ahead and add these as necessary.